Hello and welcome to another update video about Near protocol. The Near protocol is quite popular at the moment. A lot of people asked for updates. On the chart, we obviously talked about this breakout above the trend line before. This red trend line here that acted pretty much as a trend filter, kept the local trend down. Now we've got a break above the trend line, and that was a possible breakout setup. We talked about that before. The move up, however, looks overall still corrective in nature. So we need a little bit more evidence than just a few green candles to really confirm that something more bullish is here potentially playing out. So when we talk about, for example, the white scenario here, it still highlights the risk for another low. But you might remember, if you watched the previous videos, I explained that ideally the low is actually in, because if the low isn't in, then I can make a case that this is a 5-wave move down from the March high, and that can be potentially bearish. It doesn't have to be, because we're still holding above support, but ideally the low is in. But that's not, I'm not saying that's necessarily more probable. That would just be ideal to keep the yellow scenario here, or let's say a bullish scenario, alive, because an overall bullish outcome would, I think, reduce in likelihood if we get another low. The thing is, the move up initially from the August low, as you know, that's just a 3-wave move. So it's a corrective rally, could easily lead to, just another breakdown, because it's only a 3-wave move up. So we have 3 waves in A, a move down in B, and this here could turn into a 5-wave move in C. If it does that, then we have a 3-wave move. $5.96 is the next key resistance. And if we then lose support, which we will talk about in a minute, then it could confirm the move down in wave 5 of C. But then the chart would have another opportunity from down here, right? So maybe it will test then again 295, 226 before a recovery occurs. That's the yellow, that's the white scenario. Okay, so here in the white count, the 100% extension target is a key level, 596, to which a C wave likes to react in any corrective rally. Can go higher, but it's important, I think, to recognize that really we can only really follow the bullish count with a higher likelihood, or let's say we can confirm, it's all about confirmation, we can only confirm that yellow wave 2 bottomed here on the 5th of August, can really only confirm that when we get these 5 waves. And there are very clear milestone targets. So circle 3 in yellow needs to reach 732, but that would not rule out the white count. We can really only rule out the white count for one more low once we see 5 waves up. And I can't really give you yet support for wave 4, because I need the 3rd wave to reach the 732 level. That's very important, because only then I can put support on for wave 4. But we could, in the meantime, add a micro support here to the chart. That's just within this move up. So it can extend further higher, as long as we're holding this support area between 389 and 439. It's just Fibonacci support for this immediate rally, but I can really only say that wave 3 is healthy, okay, and that it's a viable 3rd wave once we get to $7.32. Before we get there, we shouldn't even talk about that a pullback could be a 4th wave. So that's the update about Near. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.